Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Postman in your computer in a very simple way. How you can do it? You can simply open any of your favorite browser and simply come over into the search option and simply search for Postman. If you click on that, then we're going to get the first website from postman.com. Then we will going to click on the first website and then it will going to shows you this kind of interface. Sign up for free or watch a demo. Here you need to select download the desktop app for your Windows or Mac or Linux. So I'm going to download it for the Windows. Click on the Windows. And then here you're going to get the Windows ARM64. My computer is 64-bit. So that's why I'm going to click on download for Windows 64-bit. And then you can see the download has been started. It's about 142 MB. So it will take some seconds to complete. For that, you need to be patient. And then if you get the exe file, if you just click on it 2 times to install and simply minimize your browser, and you can see Postman is rightly opened. So now if you close it, and then here you can simply see you rightly open your Postman in your computer with a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.